This is absolutely insane. This is normally, like, this is up by, I don't know, 18 feet, if not more. This is normally a very small creek. Very small. Hey guys! As you can see, the fire department's getting launched down here, and I mean, this is horrible. Wow. Crazy. But there it is. There's the, this is nuts. Absolutely nuts. So I'm going to try and walk through this junk here without getting wet, soaked. This is nuts. Hey, what's up, William?
Hey, well, we should have stuck here.
It's fucking crazy.
I don't know.
Holy shit. Anyways, here. Fuck. It's fucking insane. Wow. Normally this is just a little creek. Like I said, I mean, you see that building right there? That's normally the height of the creek, like from the top of that building down. It's normally where the creek would be. So, holy shit, there goes a log. Damn. But, boy, the fire department's gonna be busy tonight. Hot damn. This is nuts. It's busy. Howdy. Well, I'm gonna get out of here. They're moving all the cars and vehicles, because it's just they're just gonna get washed away. I mean, it's just crazy. This is insane. But bring out your boots, I guess, and your cameras. I'm gonna get back home and maybe take a drive down the road. Holy crap! Look at that! Look at that shit. That's crazy. Absolutely crazy.
Hey, how many more you need to move back? I'm trying to see that white one ain't gonna start about to pull it.
Anyways, wow. Wowee. Howdy, guys.
Hey.
And just look at that. Trying to get everything out of here before it gets all flooded up. The water just keeps on rising and rising and rising. For anyone that knows this area, you know this is bad, really bad. But wow.